In this Word 2019 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add readability and level statistics to your document. First off, click on the Review tab. Now, click on the Spelling and Grammar button. You'll see you just checked your document for spelling and grammar. Click OK. You'll see that there are no statistics showing, so let's go to File. Go to Options, and now go to the Proofing option. Now, go down to When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word. You'll see that Show Readability Statistics is not checked. Let's check it. Now click OK. Now let's run Spelling and Grammar again. Now click OK. Now you'll see Readability Statistics. A couple of the most interesting things on here is under the Readability section. The Flesch Reading Ease score is a score that determines how easy it is to read your document. A higher score means it's easier to read. A lower score means it's a little bit harder to read or a little harder to comprehend. A 36 is not very good. It means for some reason my document is hard to comprehend. And you want to try and shoot for a score between 60 and 70. Once again, I'll have a link in the description box below that explains this a little bit more. Now, check out this next one, Flesch Kincaid grade level. This means this is reading at about a 11.7 grade level in school. So like junior year high school, like near the end of the year, almost a senior almost. So that's kind of high actually, because the Flesch Kincaid grade level test scoring feature talks about how you want to shoot for between a 7th and 8th grade level. So more of I guess more of like the global audience can comprehend. It's based on some statistics and things. I'm not saying you have to go at that grade level, but if you want to reach a larger audience, it's good to shoot for a grade level between 7 and 8. Wow, there's a lot of talking in this one. Sorry about that. But anyhow, if you want to learn more about this, I put a link in the description box below that explains this a little bit more. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at another tutorial sometime soon.